What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to show you how easy it is to add captions just like these to any video. We're going to be using the auto caption feature from CapCut, which is a free video editing software that you can use on any computer or smartphone. Let's get started. To start off, open CapCut and create a new project. Then, import the video that you want to add captions to and drag it down to your timeline. From there, click the text tab at the top, select Auto Captions on the left, then choose your language and click Create. It'll take a minute or two to process depending on how long your video is, and once your captions are created, they'll be located in your timeline just above your video. I'm going to drag the ends of the caption clips to adjust the timing, and before we start editing and stylizing the captions, let's play the video to see how they look.
The city never sleeps. It vibrates with constant movement. As the sun sets, a new energy emerges, transforming into a bustling landscape of activity. The rhythm of life is always in motion.
So far, the captions look great, but we should change the appearance and animate the captions to make them more engaging. Make sure to drag a box on your timeline to select all the caption clips, and the editing tools will appear in the top right window. You now have the option to change the font, the size, and the color of your captions. You can also make them all uppercase or lowercase depending on your preference. CapCut also has a bunch of preset styles that you can experiment with for faster editing. If you click the Templates tab at the top, you'll find more advanced presets that can actually highlight words as they're being spoken. You can also play around with more stylized templates by clicking the Bubble tab or the Effects tab. But for this video, I really like the look of the template we're currently using. Lastly, click on the Animation tab to add some motion to your captions. The typewriter animation or the bounce animation will work great for almost any video, but just know that certain animations might affect the template that you choose. For example, I'm going to add the bounce animation to my captions, but you'll notice that the template no longer highlights the words that are being spoken. Once you're happy with how your captions look, click Export in the top right corner to save the final video to your device. Now, let's watch the before and after.
The city never sleeps. It vibrates with constant movement. As the sun sets, a new energy emerges, transforming into a bustling landscape of activity. The rhythm of life is always in motion.
As you can see, the captions look amazing, and the process was very quick and easy. Well, that's all for today's video. If you learned something new, remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.